Over 95% of world's population has health problems, in which 73% of people have stress that affects their mental health and 77% of people have stress that affects their physical health and 48% of people have trouble sleeping because of stress. Why this percentage is very high? Anger is one of the reasons for this. If a person hurts you, you start to form a grudge against that person. Grudge holding can affect your mental health. You trap yourself in a loop of bitterness, hopelessness, hatred, etc. So, because of that, in your mind, negative feelings, negative thoughts starts to develop. We usually go through emotions like hurt, pain, bitterness, hatred. What are all these? These are all bitter medicines. So we need to take the sweet medicine, right? So forgiveness is the sweetest medicine. In each and every religion, forgiveness is the most important values that one should practice. The famous quote of Gautam Buddha about forgiveness is holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. What does that mean? It means that literally you are locking yourself in a prison for a crime that someone else has committed. In Hindu mythology also, it is said that one who does not forgive carries the baggage of memories of anger, hatred, negative feelings and unresolved emotions that can affect your present as well as future. In Bible, Jesus tells one of the disciples, Peter, that one should forgive until 70 times 7, that is equal to 490. That doesn't mean that one should forgive till 490 and then after 490 one shouldn't forgive at all. That is the phrase. That means one should forgive completely without any condition. Forgiveness is something for our own benefit. We shouldn't carry the burden of the world. We should free ourselves from that grudge, what someone else did to us. It is the path to our freedom, to our emotional and mental freedom. This was actually according to the spirituality, but according to doctors, if you are having stress, it can increase your mental health, such as anxiety, depression, mood disorders, etc., and also your physical health, such as headaches, insomnia, asthma, heart disease, etc. I know forgiving is the most difficult part. I will tell you the technique, simple technique in which you can forgive people very easily. For that, you just have to write the good qualities of that person whom you are angry at. Just write the positive things you have observed up till now. You must have spent good quality time with that person. So write down the memories on a paper. If you are meeting with that person on a regular basis, even if you are not talking with each other, observe that person. Observe that person's behavior towards other person, how he is behaving with that person, with the other person. Write down what you are observing. Write down the positive things. You have to write one quality, one positive thing about that person. What will happen if you write these things? You will start feeling love. You will start loving that person more and more. After some days, you will feel positive about that person. You will forget everything what he had done in the past with you. Everything. Now you would say, Chalo theek hai, I have forgiven that person. But what about that person? I am ready to take one step forward. But what about that person? So it's all about the positive vibrations. You are sending that positive energy to that person. You have forgiven that person. So here also law of attraction will take place. That positive energy of yours is transferred to that person. The universe will send your message to that person that person has forgiven you. You have to go to that person and that person will definitely come to you. So I just want to say, forgive people and spread love.